Hi everyone, welcome to Anna's Beauti-view. Today, I'd like to share a new season, Spring and Summer 2021, Hermes Silk and Silk accessories that I purchased recently. Nowadays, many people are doing online shopping due to COVID-19, so I'm going to share with you guys the details of each scarf so that it can help you decide if you like to add one in your collection. Even though I didn't get many different designs this season. As the Hermes scarves and silk accessories are great items to start the Hermes journey, I would like to add a few more items that I purchased before as a beginner in the Hermes world, personal recommendations as gifts for friends and family. Lastly, I will share some mug shots with these scarves at the end of this video with my personal experience and opinion about Hermes journey. So let's get started from unboxing orange boxes. These are all Hermes Silk Spring and Summer Season 2021. I understand many of you, including me, thought this season wasn't great in terms of silk scarves by famous designers because there were a lot more amazing scarves released last season, autumn-winter 2020. But honestly, when I saw the scarves in person and tried them on, everything was so pretty and unique. Anyway, this is a scarf ring. I didn't even think I would get this one because I already have two scarf rings at home, and also the price-wise, this scarf ring is a bit higher than the others. But I fell in love with this when I actually tried on. It is very sophisticated. Let's look at the next box. Isn't this case so adorable? It's a cute twilly ring. Let me show you another way you can use it other than with a twilly. I think it's a great gift option along with a twilly, or if the person you're gifting to has a twilly, then this is a lovely heart-shaped gift. It became a necklace like this. What do you think? As you probably know from this package, it's a twilly. Twilly is also my first choice of the gift recommendations from Hermes under $200 USD. I got this for my Hermes Kelly 32, which is black with gold hardware. Okay, let's look at what's inside in this box. This is also perfect item for Hermes beginners like me. It's a simple, basic jewelry. Oh, the reason why I didn't open this airtight zipper bag is that I will not use this necklace right away because it could be dangerous for my baby. And also because for the silver jewelry, it's recommended that I wear every day to prevent getting tarnished or oxidized. I also got this because I have a similar designed bracelet that I will show you in this video later. Let's open the scarf boxes. I don't actually know which scarf will be first. Just so you know, there are 3 more silk scarves will follow. Yay! This design was my first choice in this season ever since I saw online for the first time. It was just really difficult to decide on the colorway that I wanted to try. It's designed by the same artist as the picture shows here. I remember I wanted to get this scarf, but I think I was a bit late because it was issued in 2019 spring-summer and I started Hermes Journey early 2020. I just cannot afford to chase the previous seasons if it's not available in the store. And I'm so glad the same artist released a new design this season. Look at these details. There are many different colorways and this is the colorway number 6. So I recorded the videos 2 times. One is under daylights and the other one is under room lights so that we can see the difference. Sometimes it's quite different feeling between looking from online and trying them in person, especially with the colors. It's based on the first Hermes store opened in Paris in the middle of the forest. Did you find cheetahs and monkeys? Okay, let's move on to the next scarf. So, I have never thought that I'll buy the same design with only different colorways, but when I saw this colorway, I could not resist. I actually requested my SA to reserve the previous color in my video, colorway number 6, but she told me that this color would be really great on me and wanted me to try before I decide. And I came home with both of them. This is colorway number 1. If you could not find cheetahs and monkeys from the previous colorway, you can try to find deer. I think I will look for birds since I like birds. Let's try it together. Honestly, I think all these different colorways are looking great, but I will have to stop here, and I'm actually really happy with it. Let's see more details. I will show you 2 different videos under daytime sunlight and room light, same as before, so we can compare the colors under different lighting. I will try to make it short, but it is actually different feeling with different colorway. Okay, ready for third piece? It's a 70cm Hermes scarf. My lovely Essie actually surprised me with this scarf. I didn't even think I would like this colorway, but it's very detailed and different feeling without many colors. I was still debating if I would get the pink with multicolors or blue color. All these scarves were not even posted online at the time, so I was really lucky to have this opportunity to see this in person. I have a scarf from the same artist from last year called The Legend of the Feathered Horse, shown on this video. I remember it was really hard to decide the colorway because everything was so pretty. It is actually really depending on the person's daily outfit or style in my opinion. The key is to be able to see the scarf in you. Okay, it's time to open the additional 5 more small boxes that I had to go to the Hermes store for the second time to pick up the rest scarves that were in my wish list because they arrived in different times. So, what should I open first? Let's open small boxes first. Again, I'm sure everyone knows this is a twilly box. As I mentioned before, a twilly is a great gift option along with the cute twilly ring if possible. This design is issued last year, autumn-winter 2020, as you can see from these pictures. I also have a beige color for myself and got a blue jean color for a gift. Anyway, originally I wanted a blue background color, but I kept going with pink color this season for some reason. A twilly is a wonderful entry item if anyone is new to Hermes world as well. Let's open this small square box. What do you think it is? When I went to Hermes store for the second time to pick up these new boxes, my SA gave me a small box with the plastic bag was even still wrapped. I just felt so excited because it is a mini Kelly bag. Well, mini Kelly bag, twilly ring to be clear. It just reminds me of unboxing my Kelly 32 last summer at the store. It was in the same room as well. Anyway, as I showed you earlier for the heart-shaped twilly ring, this one also can be a pendant for the necklace or it will be really cute with my Kelly bag as well. Look at this twilly ring with a twilly, so pretty. Now, time to open silk scarves once again. As you can see, it is actually a smaller size box than those 90cm scarves, but for some reason, I didn't get a small box for 70cm scarf last time. Does this design remind you anything? Something we played when we were very young. It's actually inspired by cut-out paper dolls. This screen capture shows here is the different colorway from UK website. I was not able to find this color information online for some reason. But here are some different color options. Maybe it was only available in stores for now because the day I went to the store, they just received this color in store only one. And I think I was really lucky. I didn't even like it so much before I tried this, to be honest. But the colorway is so pretty and it is actually easy to wear in my opinion. The meaning of this scarf name in English is ready to wear, so apparently if I assemble all the pieces, it will make a dress for a lucky doll. That's so interesting, isn't it? But I feel like I need to hide this scarf from my kids. Okay, let me try to show you the simplest way to wear this scarf. I'm just folding as my 90cm scarf and I'm not really good at knotting, so this will be it for me. That's why I needed a scarf ring. I'm sure not everyone would think it's a great design for a scarf, but I think it's pretty unique and the color is great for spring and summer as well as the size. Okay, it's already the second last scarf in this box. What do you think it is? I must say I couldn't follow my rule, buy only one color per design this season. Look at this color, it's so beautiful. This colorway was what I was waiting for. It feels actually really different than the gray color that I showed you earlier. If I had to choose only one color, I'll be in big trouble. Look at these details and the color. Hermes Paris logo here. And the artist's name here. These fish, so cute. This is actually this artist's way of showing the Hermes logo, I think. I personally love the color combination here. The blue is very pretty and I can see the grayish, blue and pink and green. I just love this design and all the details. I'm so glad I upgraded my phone to the newest version, which is iPhone 12 Pro Max, because I feel like the video quality is better. Is that right? Which means I'm able to share better photos with you guys, right? Anyway, I really like the look of this scarf. It's very sophisticated design and also very pretty when you actually wear it around your neck. Okay, finally, last box. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of comics, but this is exceptional. It's Space Derby. I didn't think I was able to get these scarves like this early, so I was going to only upload 7 items I have already showed you earlier in this video. Oh no, I'm not complaining at all and more than happy this season for sure. I feel like this hem makes this scarf looking even better. I got some dark colored scarves from the last season, such as Wild Singapore in blue and double-faced scarf that I bought quite recently around last Christmas. And even though the stars and dark base color makes look similar to each other, I think it's quite different. Look at these stars, it's amazing. I like there is a mom with a baby because maybe it reminds me of myself. Okay, before wrapping up this video, I would like to share what I recommend for the gift items. Price range USD $175 to $550, which I actually purchased myself. Basic items only. It can also be a great items for starting Hermes Journey in my opinion. The first and second place are of course a twilly and a twilly ring. Must-have item for me, a scarf ring. Of course, scarves. I will share some matcha photos shortly. I think it's worth purchasing if you're a silk lover. I have seen many people are collecting Hermes silk scarves, not only for wearing them but also to display on the wall as well. Who doesn't like tableware as a gift? By the way, this line is discontinued and I only have this one. This is the bracelet that I mentioned earlier that it could pair with my new in necklace. And this is my favorite Hermes jelly shoes, Aloha. So are you ready for my mug shots? I'm going to talk about how my Hermes journey has been. Just so you know that I am still a beginner for the Hermes journey. It's been only 1 year since I started going to my local Hermes store. My 1 year experience with Hermes is actually great so far. I think if I can say the most important thing in the Hermes journey is patience. Everyone has different taste and opinions, so this is only my personal taste and opinion. Buy the ones that you're in love with, unless you're really good at reselling, which I haven't done it so far. it takes a while for me to decide. I sometimes need to study before going to the store what I would like to see, with lots of exceptions and plan Bs. Always check your daily outfits occasions with the item that you're trying to purchase. Okay, that's it for today. It was a quite long video, but hope you enjoyed, and also it can help you guys decide if you're thinking of getting some of the items that I introduced as a gift or yourself as a treat. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.